Howdy folks, Sean here at Valley RV Supercenter. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you one of our brand new floor plans. Just came in yesterday on the J-Flight line. It is the 160LKQ. Let's go take a peek at it. Here's some exterior features on this guy. So you can see we got the prep for backup camera, space for a ladder, spare tire, square bumper for your stinky slinky. This little guy does have a slide out, which you can see right here. You'll see a little bit more about it on the inside. And they've got some storage. Some storage here with an outlet inside. Another exterior outlet here. We got a power awning with LED light strip. That awning will come out a total of 8 feet. And we got some more storage here underneath the bed. And inside we've got an east-west queen bed. Lots of storage. This unit also does have solar. We got a nice little sofa here. Portable table that you can take inside, use outside, however you see fit. 2-burner cooktop in the kitchen, lots of counter space. Something this size, you're not going to find another one that's going to have this much counter space in it. We also have the 12-volt fridge. Nice large rear bathroom. And if you'd like to come see it in person, come on down to Valley RV Supercenter. Again, my name's Sean. Thanks for watching.